I really love this one. Wow. Hello, amazing pea. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is cocoa and lemon. See, the green one is cocoa and then the blue one is lemon. So let's see yung nilagay nating pagkain sa kanila. So, ayan. Wow. So, inubos talaga nila. So, ayan. Mas parang gusto nila yung pagkain. So, it's a mixed grain. Bagong brand yun na binigay ko sa kanila. Ubos. Tingnan natin isa. This one. Tingnan natin isa. It's another bird. This is Joe and J. This is Joe and J. Tingnan natin kung what happened sa isang. Oh, okay. Gusto din nila. Actually, nabalatan na yung iba. So, nagustuhan nila yung pagkain nila. Which is, yung brand is Trail. See? After I give, I think for 5 days, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging epekto sa kanila ng bago nilang food. Right. See you on my next video. Thank you so much.